Alright, so I'm printing on this. I haven't printed it with it in a while. And the reason I'm printing with it is because my son decided to remove the knob on the belt tensioner. I was moving some stuff that was on it, and I noticed that the table moved real freely. So he's been out here every once in a while when he thinks nobody's looking, messing with this thing. And I noticed that he moved my calibration things. Well, so anyway, this is just like, I don't know, some Android phone holder. You can see the little Android guy on there. It's just a file that I sliced on here before because I don't have a computer out here with Kira. I would not even want to know how to get that to work on Windows 98. So I just printed to make sure, because if he took that off, what else might he have done? You know? So, kids are mischievous, that's for sure. I definitely, I just want him to behave. I don't want to have to hide all my stuff, you know? So, my friend suggested maybe we should let the kids play with one of the older printers and maybe sit down and maybe show them how to use a 3D printer, because I think that would put them ahead of the curve in their classroom and stuff like that, because I know like the library has 3D printers and stuff like that, and Junior had mentioned they had the snap circuit things at school too. So maybe we'll, since he's curious, I mean, it's just a knob, but he's not like particularly destructive unless it comes to like Xbox controllers. But maybe we can actually, like, instead of like punishing them, be like, look, you took this apart. Here's another one, and I want to show you how to use it. So I think that maybe tomorrow I might do that and get a printer set up for them, and like maybe they can print like, you know, something off a Thingiverse, you know, just let them pick something, and it'd be you know, kind of a pain in the butt because those printers are really slow and they kind of have to be supervised. But that's what I was thinking about doing.